Aircraft maintenance technician. The unsung heroes of the skies. In the intricate world of aviation, while pilots and cabin crew often take the spotlight, there's a vital group of professionals working diligently behind the scenes to ensure every flight is safe. Aircraft maintenance technicians, AMTs, also known as aircraft engineers or mechanics. These skilled individuals are responsible for the meticulous inspection, maintenance, and repair of aircraft, making them the unsung heroes who keep Zimbabwe's planes flying reliably. Let's delve into what an AMT does. Main responsibilities. The role of an AMT is complex and demands precision, attention to detail, and a deep understanding of aircraft systems. Their main responsibilities include inspections, performing routine and scheduled inspections on aircraft to identify any defects, wear, or damage according to strict aviation regulations, e.g., those set by the Civil Aviation Authority of Zimbabwe, CAAZ. Troubleshooting and diagnosis. Identifying the root cause of mechanical, electrical, hydraulic, or structural problems using diagnostic equipment and technical manuals. Repairs and replacement. Repairing or replacing defective components, including engines, landing gear, avionics systems, and control surfaces. Preventative maintenance. Carrying out scheduled maintenance tasks to prevent potential failures and extend the lifespan of aircraft components. System testing. Conducting thorough tests of all repaired and replaced systems to ensure they function correctly and meet safety standards. Documentation. Maintaining detailed and accurate records of all maintenance performed, parts used, and any issues identified and resolved. This is crucial for airworthiness certification. Adherence to safety standards. Strictly following safety protocols and regulations to ensure both their own safety and the integrity of the aircraft. Modifications and upgrades. Installing new components or carrying out modifications to aircraft as required by manufacturers or regulatory bodies. Key skills and qualifications. Becoming a successful AMT in Zimbabwe requires a unique blend of technical expertise, practical skills, and personal attributes. Key skills. Technical aptitude. Strong understanding of mechanical, electrical, hydraulic, and pneumatic systems. Problem solving. Excellent analytical and diagnostic skills to pinpoint complex issues. Attention to detail. Meticulous approach to inspections and repairs, as even minor oversights can have serious consequences. Manual dexterity. Proficiency in using a wide range of hand and power tools. Communication. Clear communication skills to collaborate with team members, pilots, and engineers, and to document work effectively. Physical stamina. The job can involve working in confined spaces, at heights, and lifting heavy components. Adaptability. Ability to work in various environmental conditions and adapt to new aircraft models and technologies. Patience and persistence. Troubleshooting complex issues can be time-consuming and require a persistent approach. Qualifications. In Zimbabwe, aspiring AMTs typically need to complete rigorous training and certification. Aircraft Maintenance Engineering (AIM) Diploma Certificate. This is the primary qualification, often obtained from accredited aviation training schools. These programs cover various aircraft systems, maintenance practices, and aviation regulations. Apprenticeship, on-the-job training. Many AMTs gain significant experience through apprenticeships with airlines or maintenance organizations, working under the supervision of experienced technicians. Aircraft type ratings. Technicians often require specific type ratings for the particular aircraft models they are authorized to work on, e.g., Boeing 737, Airbus A320. Civil Aviation Authority of Zimbabwe (CAAZ) licenses. AMTs must hold valid licenses issued by CAAZ, demonstrating their competency and authorization to perform maintenance on aircraft. These licenses often have categories, e.g., A for Airframe, P for Powerplant, X for Avionics. English language proficiency. Essential for understanding technical manuals and communicating in an international aviation environment. Top companies and organizations hiring aircraft maintenance technicians in Zimbabwe. Several organizations in Zimbabwe regularly seek qualified AMTs. Air Zimbabwe. The national flag carrier, operating a fleet that requires constant maintenance. Fastjet Zimbabwe. A prominent low-cost airline with its own maintenance requirements. Executive Jet Aviation, EJA, a charter airline that operates various business jets. Local flight schools and charter companies. Smaller operators like Harare Flying Club or National Airways Corporation, NAC, often employ AMTs for their diverse fleet. Military Air Force of Zimbabwe, AFZ, employs AMTs for their military aircraft. Aircraft maintenance organizations, MROs, independent companies specializing in aircraft maintenance, repair, and overhaul for various clients. While fewer dedicated large MROs exist solely in Zimbabwe, some regional ones might have a presence or partner locally. Common interview questions. If you're interviewing for an AMT position, expect questions that probe your technical knowledge, problem-solving abilities, and commitment to safety. Why are you interested in becoming an aircraft maintenance technician? Assesses motivation and understanding of the role's importance. Describe a time you successfully troubleshot a complex mechanical or electrical issue. Tests technical problem-solving skills. What steps do you take to ensure safety and compliance with regulations during maintenance? Probes understanding of safety protocols and regulatory adherence. How do you stay updated with new aircraft technologies and maintenance procedures? Assesses commitment to continuous learning. Walk us through a typical pre-flight inspection process for an aircraft you are familiar with. Checks practical knowledge and attention to detail. What is the importance of accurate documentation in aircraft maintenance? Evaluates understanding of record-keeping's critical role. How do you handle working under pressure or tight deadlines, especially when an aircraft needs to be back in service quickly? Tests ability to manage stress and prioritize. Explain the function of a specific aircraft component, e.g., an aileron, a hydraulic pump, an APU. Assesses specific technical knowledge. Aircraft maintenance technicians are indispensable to the aviation industry. Their expertise and unwavering commitment to safety ensure that millions of passengers can travel confidently. For those with a passion for aviation and a meticulous approach to work, a career as an AMT in Zimbabwe offers a challenging and deeply rewarding journey. Disclaimer. Please note that we are an independent job search platform. We are not affiliated with, nor do we endorse any of the companies or organizations mentioned. The information provided in this blog post is for general guidance and informational purposes only and does not constitute professional career advice. Any job applications and correspondence will be directed to the respective organizations, and any hiring decisions are made solely by them. We encourage all job seekers to conduct their own thorough research and due diligence when applying for positions. Hot Zimbabwe Jobs, the ideal site for the Zimbabwean job seeker. Try to fail and never fail to try.